Hello everyone, this is Amatip IT Consulting. We wanted to talk about an important lesson in game development, one that we can learn from the experience of Cyberpunk 2077 and its new extension, Phantom Liberty. When Cyberpunk 2077 launched, it was clear that the rush to release resulted in some unfortunate flaws. We saw firsthand how significant a patient, meticulous approach to game development and testing is. Without it, you risk releasing a product that isn't stable, polished, or enjoyable for players. Fast forward to the release of Phantom Liberty, and it's clear the developers learned valuable lessons from their initial missteps. They revamped key areas that players had criticized in the base game, making massive improvements to police and core systems, vehicle combat, skill trees, AI, and the user interface and experience. They even fine-tuned aspects like NPC dialogue length and world interactions, which add depth and interest to the game. They listened, they learned, and they improved. But, with the memory of the first game's problems still fresh, there's understandable skepticism. This brings us to another critical lesson: the importance of regaining trust after a rocky launch. Game developers can achieve this by maintaining transparency with their player base, addressing issues quickly, and delivering on promises of improvement. To sum up, Cyberpunk 2077, Phantom Liberty teaches us the critical importance of thorough development and testing, attentive response to player feedback, and rebuilding trust after a problematic release. It shows that developers can turn a difficult situation around by learning from their past mistakes and taking the necessary steps to rectify them. At Amatip IT Consulting, we deeply understand and respect these lessons, and it's principles like these that guide us in our work. Stay tuned for more insights from the world of IT.